Kurdistan region, KRI is the originating region for democracy. Can you believe it? In the ancient times, when there is a tribal age, there are many nomads, the nomads, the shepherds, they carrying the, herds and cattle from here to the Anatolia, the Turkey, Istanbul. At the time, there is a one system, election system, for the head of the tribe. Everybody knows about that? Everybody knows about that? KRI's, Kurdish democratic system has been already conducted before Greek democracy. You should be proud of your region. I so admire your culture and democracy. So it means that you have a lot of potential, power to implement it in the future. So, as I told you before, diplomacy you already conducted in the Sumerian period. Democracy, you already experienced in the tribal ages. So, what's the message? Now is the time to combine together. You can make big change. I have a strong belief. So that's why I came here again. 14 years ago, I was here in Jeytun division. And then I come back again. Why? There are many options for me to serve in other countries. But I came here because I studied a lot of history of the diplomacy, surprisingly to know that, KRI is the originating region of the diplomacy.